You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this town located in the Pyrenees, on the Atlantic side of the Pyrenees in France. Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port. Saint-Jean meaning Saint John in French. Saint-Jean, silent T to Saint. Saint-Jean, Pied-de-Port. This literally means the foot of a port. Pied is French for foot. De port, of a port. Pied-de-Port. You'll notice the silent T to port. Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as English pronunciation. Let's say Saint-Jean, Saint-Jean, Pied-de-Port. Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port, from French, Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.